check out a 200 horsepower motorcycle, nearly 1700 cc V4 engine, and all new from the ground up VMax. Should be kind of exciting.
All right, hang on. So the VMax, it's kind of ridiculous. It's big and it's way powerful, but it's also ridiculously fun. I can't believe in these corners that we've been taking here in San Diego County. It does surprisingly well, and I look forward to embarrassing somebody on a Gixxer one day in the corners. Certainly on the corner exits, this thing will just skedaddle and say bye-bye. 2009 Star Motorcycles VMax. Here's the business end over here. I can't believe there's any tire tread left on the back end. If you're looking to be the burnout king of your neighborhood, you need one of these. Not just from a stop like any other bike, but out of every corner. Just spins up like a GP bike. Marvelous.
It has adequate power, the VMax does. Adequate.
It's all because of about 200 horsepower emanating from down there. Goes through a shaft drive. It's double overhead cam, liquid cooled, and it's just got mountains of power. They say it's not a drag bike, but the giant tack like a muscle car and a shift light kind of says otherwise.
Good.
Intake scoops. They're not plastic like the old ones. They're actually aluminum, and there's a guy who polishes them by hand. It takes 40 minutes for each one. It's part of the reason why this is an expensive motorcycle. And the neat features I like are the easily adjustable rebound and compression damping knurled knobs. No screwdrivers required, only on the front compression. Also a remote hydraulic rear preload adjuster. Allows you to make preload adjustments on the fly. But when you take a look at this bike and all the little details, you can see where that money adds up. Got little red stitching in here, got special master cylinders for the clutch and the brake, and of course that engine. Can't be cheap to build a V4, makes 200 horsepower.